Carryboy's range of canopies include models featuring sliding side windows that open in either direction to give you easy access to the cargo area of your vehicle, while maintaining a high level of security and ease of operation. These large side windows are tinted and made of tempered curved glass and secured with a single key locking system. The slam-action rear door also features curved, tempered and tinted glass and is fitted with heavy-duty stainless steel hinges and gas struts for easy operation. Stylish and functional roof rails capable of carrying loads of up to 85 kilos. The canopies are finished in a smooth, high-gloss 2-pack, colour-coded to your vehicle. Carryboy's warranty covers the structural integrity and painted finish of the canopy to give you peace of mind. The end result is an eye-catching aerodynamic canopy, where the standout style is matched with superior build quality.